Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I've got a couple of exciting announcements for you today. So the first thing I want to tell you about is Cara Brandon at Cara Brandon Creations has a new design team, and I am so proud and honored to be a part of the design. So the first thing I want to do is I want to introduce you to everyone on Cara's new design team. And I'm going to start from top left. And I know normally you only get to see the top of my head when I accidentally lean over too far and get it into the camera frame. But that is me. And then second, we have Sharon Kinsley, Lynda Verrill. I apologize, some of these names I may butcher. Then we have Wendy Townsend, Ebony Wynglass, who is EB Wynglass on YouTube, Jennifer Peterson, who is What Jen Wren Scraps on YouTube. And then at bottom left, we have Lori Ferguson, who's on YouTube is Positive ThanksLiving, which I think is a really neat name. Then we have Kelley Dowling, Mudhut 2880. We have Denise Settles, PaperKraftD. Then we have Debbie Zagarit and Gardina excuse me. I am so sorry, Gardina. Gardina Rich, who is Handmade by Gardina. So many of these ladies I have worked with on collaborations before. Some are new to me, but I am so excited about this and so proud and honored to be part of this great design team. So all of their YouTube links will be listed below. Be sure to check them out. And then the next thing is Cara has a new kit out. It's a Farmhouse kit, and this will be our first design team project. So, and the entire kit is 20 pages. So we've got this beautiful journaling page. We've got the windmill, sunflower, the okay, here's where I'm going to show my idiocy. Chickens and or roosters. I don't know the difference. Wheelbarrow. And the color theme throughout this entire thing is sort of peachy colors, some yellows, and then some bluish teals. So here we've got some vegetables. It says walking in the lane down here with this beautiful bluish teal and some paint splatters and vegetables and butterfly. Here we've got some orangey strawberry plants with some teal. And then this is probably one of my favorite pages. We've got the barn with the fence, the weathered wood, and here it says the most memorable days end with the dirtiest clothes, and I love that. Here we've got a teal windmill with the stacked farm animals. And more of the weathered wood, some chicken wire. And then we've got this beautiful floral with the sort of peachy background. Here we've got this yellow background with some sort of teal splatter, again with some florals and farm animals. And then one of my other favorite pages is this collage page. So you could cut or tear stuff out or use it as an entire page. I just absolutely think that's fabulous. And then we move into some background pages. Now, when Cara did hers, her background images appeared to stand out a little more. I'm going to try reprinting mine to see if mine come up a little better. But we've got sort of a bluish teal background with chickens. And here we've got the peachish background again with chickens. And then we've got a very neutral background with all sorts of seed packets. Wow, my brain is... seed packets and then vegetables. And then we've got this yellow background. Again, the sort of bluish tealish background with pears and sunflowers. And then we move into ephemera. So we've got, on one page, we've got 3 large tags. And then we've got 3 large tags in primarily black and white. I think that sunflower is just stands out so much on that background. I love it. And then we've got all the tags in a smaller size. And then we've got several journaling cards that are great. There's some different sizes, and they're beautiful as they are, but there's also room to add to them. Then we've got a layered tag, and as I understand it, you have the tag here, this goes on top of it, and then this goes on top of that. And I've not tried that yet, so I'm anxious to try that. And then you've got the ephemera pieces to use. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. And then we've got a page full of ephemera. So we've got lots of images to fussy cut. We've got milk bottle caps. We've got labels. We've got little 4-packet seeds, little coupons. So all sorts of great ephemera. And then here on the last page, we've got a couple of pockets that we can cut out and use. So I will leave, of course, all of Cara's links below. Be sure I will leave the listing for this wonderful digital kit. It's 20 pages total. And be sure to check out the kit. Be sure to check out all of the wonderful artists that have joined her design team. So excited to get started with this. And until next time, everyone have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.